guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another cash envelope stuffing, and this is paycheck number 4 of January. So let's get right into this video. Alright, so we stuffed out a total of $830 today. So let's count this money. 1, 2, 3, 400, 50, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80 is 6, 20, 40, 60, 80, $720. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 800. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So that is $830. So starting off with electricity is getting $50. Okay, next is car insurance, and car insurance is getting $45. Okay, onto our cash envelopes. Okay, so starting off with groceries, we do have some money left. And if you guys are wondering why I'm not stuffing my health insurance, you guys gotta look at my financial outline video where I do explain why I'm not gonna be stuffing that anymore each week. Alright, so we do have some money left in groceries. Let me take this out if I could take it out. So we have 2 5s, and these 5s is going into my $5 saving jar. And groceries always get $120 a week. Okay, next is gas, and gas is getting $20. Spending is getting $20 also. Beauty is getting $10. And giving is getting $5. Okay guys, on to my sinking funds. Okay, so Lanisha and Jaden is getting $25 this week, and also I will be doing an update on their piggy bank. So I'll be taking the money out. I'll be doing a counting video, taking their money out and split it 50-50 so we could deposit it in their envelope. Oh, also I forgot to take out their credit cards. Let me do that right now. Okay, so she's getting $25 this week. Let me zoom this in a bit. So 25. Okay, so Lanisha has 5,000, 6,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 50, 70, 90, 710, 30, 50, 70, 95, 800, 5, 10, 15, 20. So Lanisha has $6,820. Okay, next is my son Jaden, and Jaden is also getting $25. Oh, I got his credit card in here too, so let me take that out. So Jaden is getting 25. So we have 5,000, 6,000, 1, 2, 3, 400, 50, 70, 90, 5, 10, 30, 50, 70, 95, 600, 5, 10, 15. $6,515. Okay guys, so I do want y'all's suggestion and opinions on who we should put on a $500 slip, because I am gonna make that, and this is just too much money that's in my sinking funds. You know, like, just look at Lineage and Jaden already. Just adding that in amount, it's already $1,335, and that's just way too much money to be having in a house. I do want to put a cartoon picture of me on there, because I want you guys to know, like, see how I look in a cartoon version, and I think that'll be so cute. But yeah, just let me know who you guys want to see on there, or anybody, anything, you know, an animal, anything. Just let me know. You know, it is my brand. It's just a placeholder, guys. It's nothing crazy. Don't mean nothing. It just means that that money is in the bank. This is just placeholder for the amount that is represented in the bank. You know, don't take it too serious, guys. It's just a placeholder. Alright, so with that being said, I'm gonna move on to family time, and family time is getting $10. You guys, we got a star dollar banknote. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 95, $600. We finally hit 600 in our family time envelope. Okay, so on to drip, which is my clothing envelope, and that is getting $30. $1, 250, 300, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, $400. Okay, on to our emergency fund binder. Okay, so my cash emergency fund is getting, let's see how much it's getting, $10 this week. So 10. We have 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 850, 70, 90, 910, 930, 40, 50, 60. So $19.60 in our cash emergency fund. Okay, next is our home emergency fund, and that is getting $200. And we did scratch that $200 from our gold and platinum, no, gold and diamond challenge from last week. $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 850, 950, 70, 90, 1,010. You guys, we finally hit another 1,000. So in my update sinking funds video, this is definitely gonna get a 1K slip. So we are so close to the 10,000 mark on our home emergency fund. So that's $8,010, 30, 55, 65. So $8,065. Car emergency fund is getting $10. 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 50, 60, 70, 85, 95, 1,700. Oh, you guys, I also want to show you guys something. If you guys do use an iPad and like, you know how you write, it all depends on the pressure to get, like, you know, an even line. So I use the ball pen. So when you first start, it comes off with the fountain pen. So look, 170, it all depends on your pressure. So what I use is a pen, which is the ball pen right here. Just to let you guys know, because I do see a couple of you guys use the fountain pen, and just in case you guys want to write more evenly, I guess. Just in case, I just want to let you guys know. Alright, so next is health, and health is getting 20 bucks. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 50, 70, 90, 710, 30, 50, 60. So we have 760 in health. Okay, next is our scratch off challenge, and yeah, let's scratch off something. Alright, so you guys know that I used a paper clip last week for this, and that came out fugly. So let me fix that, because that is not cute. Okay, so let's scratch off this one right here. So this is $30. That's actually the lowest amount we got in our gold challenge so far. So 30. Let me wipe this off. 30 plus, let's do this one, $165. So I'm gonna write it down here. So we scratched off 165 for a diamond and 30 for gold, and that is $195 that we are stuffing next week for our home emergency fund. Alright guys, on to our pink binder. Okay, so Christmas is getting $20. We have 20, 40, 60, 85, 90. So 90 bucks in Christmas. Back to school is getting $5. 10, 15, 20, $25 in back to school. Next is invest, and invest is getting $25. Well, no, actually it's getting 30 bucks. So 20 and a 10. 50, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60. 160 in invest. Next is gifts, and gifts is getting $10. One, 200, 10, 20, 30, 45. So we have 145 in gifts. Okay guys, last is my savings challenge, and that is getting $165. Okay, so 85 plus 80 equal 165. 150, 65. Okay guys, so this week I'll be doing a update on my kids' piggy bank and my $5 saving challenge, and also I'll be doing a update Sika funds where I'm gonna be swapping out bills. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.